What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the Transit Custom plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. We have a Transit Custom Sport here, which is a Panavan 3-seater with the full LBRF kit. So let's go ahead and show you what it's all about. So the first thing that jumps out at you about the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is the noise it makes when you start up the engine. There is no noise. I'll do it for you right now. So foot on the brake. There it is. I'm going to stick it into drive, handbrake off, and away we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in the future. Right, so for much of our customers who follow us closely on social media, they already know how much the LBRF kit completely transforms the look of the Transit Custom. But what a lot of people in Australia don't actually know is how good the PHEV, the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle Transit Custom, actually is. So this isn't just about looks. The plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the PHEV, is actually one of the most usable vans that you can use to drive every day. So when you're driving around town, you can use the fully electric mode, which is really smooth, really quiet, and more importantly, really cheap to run. Most tradies and business owners, most daily driving is actually short trips, which means that you can actually just use the fully electric engine alone. Charging is super simple. You can just plug it in overnight and you're ready to go the next day. Also, the thing about the electric engine, it gives you instant torque. So I'm putting my foot down here now and whoa, I'm pulling away. It gives you instant power, which is very satisfying, especially for a works van. So you still get the same practicality and capability as a Transit Custom, just with better efficiency. So you're getting still the same styling as the LBRF as you normally do, with some really cool technology underneath that. So I think once the people of Australia start to realise how good PHEV vans actually are, they'll see how well they can fit into everyday use for their businesses and even personal lives also. So this one is a really good example of that. It's a great vehicle, it's a great looking build, it's genuinely a really smart drivetrain also.